Today I want to create a mobile app for my bookstore. In the prompt I wrote create me a bookstore app with a homepage, book catalog, genre section and checkout page. And look what it generated. Hello everyone, Google just launched an AI-powered UI design tool called Stitch AI, where you can create design for mobile apps and websites just using text. It's currently in beta and totally free to use. Just go to the website and as you can see, you can generate mobile app layouts or full websites just by typing what you need. Whether you are building a personal portfolio, an online shop, or a blog, Stitch AI helps you design it instantly. So again, it's free for now. I will drop the link in the description switch.withgoogle.com. All you need is to log in with your Gmail account. Now let's see how to use it. You will find two modes. Standard mode, faster design using Gemini 2.5 Plus. Experimental mode, high fidelity result using Gemini 2.5 Pro plus image based inspiration. Let's start with experimental mode. You can choose to design for either mobile or website. Just describe what you want. For example, here is a prompt, quiz screen for a math learning app showing progress bar, title and 4 answer options. Paste it and click generate design and boom, it creates that layout right away. It even visualizes the progress bar, question title and answer buttons just as described. Now let's try standard mode with our own idea. Say I want to make a mobile app for my fitness coaching business. I type create a fitness coaching app with dashboard, workout plans, progress tracker and profile page. Click generate designs and it generates all 4 pages instantly. And here is what it made. This is the dashboard, this is the workout plans, here is the progress tracker, and finally the profile page, all from just one text prompt. Now you can customize each screen, click edit or go to edit theme. I switch to dark mode, choose a blue theme, made the corners extra round and change the font to poppings. Click apply theme and after a few seconds the UI updates with all your preferences. So as you can see, it's super easy to design mobile UIs and everything is editable. Want to rename your app? Click edit and type change name into Fit Life Coach. Click generate and done. Now here is the cool part. You can copy your design to Figma. Click copy to Figma and paste it directly into your Figma project. Once inside, you can adjust any element, resize cards, change text, swap images and more. It's the perfect workflow. Start in Stitch AI to get the structure fast, then customize everything deeper in Figma. Now let's make a website. I select website and enter this prompt. Design a homepage for a photography portfolio named Pixel Lens, showcase featured photos and a gallery section. Click generate designs and Stitch creates a beautiful homepage layout titled Pixel Lens, complete with a featured photo section and gallery thumbnails. Next, I tried create an app like Airbnb but for renting music studios. It made a layout with home, studio listings, bookings, and profile tabs, idea for a music studio rental business. One more awesome feature, you can upload a screenshot of a design you like and get something similar. I uploaded an image of a sleek fashion site and typed create a homepage for an online sneaker store inspired by this style. Stitch generated a modern landing page with large hero banners and clean product sections. So that's it guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, check out my channel for more AI tools, design tricks and productivity hacks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching.